Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Pepco Promotional Products. I'm Joe Haley, watching the Joe Show. Check out today's first product. These are paper sunglasses. You'll see they're football themed, and we still have some playoff games coming up. Super Bowl is going to be right around the corner, so you still have a chance for your football themed promotions. Great for a bar or a restaurant. They could put a menu on the back, specials for coming in to watch the game. If you have any tailgating event you want to hand these out at, you can do that. Also for your own Super Bowl parties, you want to do something at school, something at work for your employees. These are going to be a lot of fun. And we know, yes, the end of football season is coming up, but you still have next year to do something fun with the football-themed glasses. All right, check this out. I like this a lot. We got a little metal lunchbox. It reminds us of our days in grade school. This is actually a tech kit, and inside it comes with a variety of products. You've got a power bank, and we've got a USB port connector so you can connect 4 units at once. We've got a microfiber cloth, earbuds. Everything, as you can see, has been logoed with the same logo. This actually goes on the back of your phone, and that's a pen and stand. And finally, we have the USB car charger. This is great for a gift for anyone who registers for a tech conference, or also for anyone who joins a tech company as a new employee gift. Also for your traveling reps too. They might not use the case to take their products in, but they're going to put that in another bag, and they've got something useful when they're on the road. I see a couple of challenge coins here. Challenge coins, when we think of these, we think of military, we think of police, we think of fire, but you usually do a challenge coin for virtually any type of organization. You do a 5K, a 10K, a half marathon, a marathon instead of a medal, go with a challenge coin. You can get a die struck in brass or in zinc. Here's a zinc version. You'll see it's got a colorful there, and this one's actually, we get the detail on this. It's an eagle. It's for the U.S. Marine Corps. So any organization, any branch of the military can give these out. You do something special, and you get awarded the challenge coin. You can keep them on display in an office, at home, any place you want to show people what you've accomplished. Let me show you this next product. We have a wood power bank here, just like any other power banks. You're going to charge it up, and you can charge up a phone or a tablet with it. You'll see we've got nice engraving on that. Of course, it comes with its own cord, and it comes packaged in a canvas bag. So what I like about this, it takes some of that carbon footprint out of any type of promotion you're going to do because of the wood. There's other components on there, but it still takes some of that carbon footprint out. That's going to be a good idea. So if you're looking for something to give during Earth Week, Earth Day, this might be an option for you. Okay, now this next product is pretty big. I'm going to open it up and step back. This is a frost guard, and this goes on the windshield of a car, a truck, a minivan, a variety of different vehicles. It has flaps here on the side and some other cables to connect it to the insides of the door so no one can run off with it. And if it rains, if it snows, you just, when you get up in the morning, you take this off, all that snow, frost is going to go with it, so you don't have to scrape your car windshield. It's got a great area there for imprinting, so you can use this for any type of organization, any type of event. It could be a great gift with purchase for a new or used car, or dealerships, lots can actually use these as advertising on all the cars that are parked. So when you drive down the street, you can see a message, either an individual message on each one that spells out something bigger, or the same message on it. So there's a lot of functionality for this, and especially that we're now in January and February, areas like the Northeast, we will be getting probably some more snow. And now we have some products from today's Joe Show sponsor, Pepco Promotional Products. We'll start off with these mini basketballs. College and high school basketballs are in full force right now. They're playing. They're just got done their holiday tournaments. The season is underway. We're making our way towards March Madness. These are great giveaways during timeouts. Throw them out into the student section, throw them out into the crowd, and it's a fun product to give during basketball games. Next product, I'm going to show you a series of foam fingers. We have a variety of different number one fingers, a variety of different sizes. We're getting a little bigger, different shape to this one. It's great for students, school events, also for corporate events. If you've done something great throughout the year, you want to have big meetings. I like this one's custom with the basketball on the finger. Again, getting closer to March Madness. I know we just start the year, but it'll be here soon enough. This one, and I always say the love sign, but I'm wrong. Kaylee told me that I'm wrong because you would do it like this because it shows the L. So this is the hook 'em horns. We've got another version of a number one here, where bing, you can point or you can shoot it. And finally, Lastly, for our football season, first down, 1st and 10, Super Bowl fun, the NFC, AFC championship games, fun product for bars to give away. Anyone at the games who are going, other vendors can give these away, and people will keep them for a long time. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.